In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under Alkanes. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 questions to practice in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says hydrocarbons which react with ammoniacal copper 1 chloride solution conform to the general molecular formula. So the right answer will be this option C. This one for alkynes. This general formula is for alkanes. Option A. This option B, general formula, is for alkanes. So it's for this one. This alkyne, option C, is the general molecular formula of hydrocarbons that we react with ammoniacal copper 1 chloride. So that's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says one of the products of combustion of pentane SSA is. So the right answer will be option B, carbon dioxide. Very important. The next question will be this one. It says when excess chlorine is mixed with ethane at room temperature, the product formed is we have 1,1-dichloroethane, we have 1,2-dichloroethane, 1,2-dichloroethane, we have 1,1-dichloroethane. So guys, looking at the options we have here, this option A is 1,1-dichloroethane. So the right answer will be this option D, 1,1-dichloroethane. Alright, so that's the answer to this question. Very important. The next question will be this one. It says what is X in the reaction represented by the equation below? Okay, so looking at this equation we have, so this shows us that our X will be our propane. Okay, so when you express this on paper, this reaction, you're going to arrive at propane as the value of X. I already attempted this question before, so I got propane. Okay, so when this decomposes, this hydrocarbon here decomposes, this is decaying. All right, so when it decomposes, you're going to get propane as the value of X. All right, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says consider the reaction represented by the following equation. So this equation is a X and Y respectively are. So this X is for our ethane, so and this Y is our ethane. The right answer is option D. Okay, so this is the formula for ethane, is the formula for ethane. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says this compound, this hydrocarbon will undergo the following reaction except. So looking at this is octane. Okay, so octane is an alkane, so it will undergo the following reaction except addition. So alkanes don't undergo addition reaction because they are already saturated hydrocarbons. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says which type of reaction is illustrated by the following equation? Alright, so guys, this is cracking. Option C, very important. Take note of this. This is cracking, guys. When a high hydrocarbon is being broken down to smaller hydrocarbons, is known as cracking. Option C. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following statements is correct? An alkane with 49 carbon atoms contain 100 hydrogen atoms. Pentane has 5 isomers low. Butane has a low boiling point than propane. No. Addition reactions occur between alkanes and chlorine. No. So the right answer is option A. An alkane with 49 carbon atoms contain 100 hydrogen atoms. Yeah, that's correct. So the next question with this one. It says the gas produced when a mixture of sodium propanoate and soda lime is heated is. The right answer is option B, ethane. Alright, very important. The next question will be this one. It says alkanes react with the halogens mainly by substitution. Option D, very important. So guys, alkanes basically undergo substitution reaction and not addition reaction. The reason is that they are saturated hydrocarbons. Alright, so the next question with this one, it says Consider the following reaction equation. The process represented by the equation is cracking because a higher hydrocarbon is being broken down to smaller ones, so it's cracking, guys. Very important. So the next question is this one, guys. Before I tell this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. We really appreciate this. So this question says, which of the following is the most reactive towards bromine? So the most reactive towards bromine is ethane. Alright, option B. Very important. The next question will be this one. It says, when bromine is added to ethane at room temperature, the compound formed is 1,1,2 dibromoethanol, 1,1 dibromoethanol, 1,2 dibromoethane. Yeah, so this option C is correct. This is what we're going to have right for this question. The next question, this one, it says thermal cracking of alkanes usually is an exothermic process not involve decomposition. Yes, so the right answer is option B. That's it for this question. The next question, this one, it says which of the following equations represent a substitution reaction? So once you see an alkane involved, that will be the answer. So in option A is option B, basically, guys, because what we have here is butane being added to chlorine gas. So the right answer is what? Option B. So this equation represents a substitution reaction. So alkanes undergo substitution reaction. Next question with this one, it says reactions undergone by compounds with the general formula includes substitution. So this general formula is for alkanes. So alkanes undergo substitution reaction. They don't undergo dehydration, they don't undergo addition, they don't undergo esterification. So from the options we have here, this compound with the general formula undergoes substitution reaction. Answer is option A. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question with this one, it says what is the product in the following equation? So in this equation, the product will be 18. When you express this on paper, you're going to say to be 18. That's for this question. Next question with this one, it says which of the following compounds is used as a gaseous fuel? So it can be this, it can be this. This is having a carboxylic acid group, no? So it can be this is having an alkanoid group. So the right answer will be option D. Alright, so that's for this question. The last question I have here before I end this video will be this one. It says which of the following alkanes has the highest boiling point? So guys, the right answer here will be our hexane. No, it's going to be our hexane, because from the order after we have methane, ethane, propane, we have butane, pentane, hexane. The right answer is option A. So the boiling points of these hydrocarbons when it comes to alkanes increases as you go down, as the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms increase. Okay, so this basically can do problems involving alkanes for chemistry practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the gem button. You'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your next exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.